Hi guys, if you're new here, I have lost 160 pounds. Welcome back, friends. Well, I wanted to just do a little compilation of things that I've been up to in the last couple of days. And the big one is strength training. So I've been learning that I can do a lot of things that I didn't think I could do anymore. And it's been so long because I had such arthritis in my knees. I couldn't even bend down, like getting down on the floor would have taken like a tow truck to get me up. You know, when you're 300 or over 300 pounds for so many years, I think for 19 years, I was teetering around that sometimes 280, all the way up to one time 322. And but most of my days, or most of the years, were like at 310 to 313. When I started my journey, I was 313 pounds. And now I'm in week 4 of maintenance, and I've been staying at around 153. On this morning, which was just yesterday, I was 152. Today I'm 153. And so right before shot day, I do go up a pound, and then a couple days after, I go down a pound, and I'm on 7.5 milligrams of Mounjaro. So I was on 10 milligrams of Mounjaro from January 2024 all the way until October. And then in October, I switched over to 7.5. Actually, in November, I switched over. So in September and October, I was spreading out my 10 milligrams to shot day every 10 days, just to try to slow down the weight loss, because I was still losing. Like, I was a super responder, and I was losing like anywhere between 6, 8, and 10 pounds a month. And I am just like amazed that even happened, because weight loss has always been a struggle for me. And so I'm blessed, and I thank the Lord that, wow, this has been the easiest journey for me. Now, I had gastric bypass 24 years ago. I was 310 at the time of surgery, and I got down to like 155, and I didn't stay at 155 for very long. So I teetered around 160. And after 5 years, I started to regain. So as you can imagine, I felt like a total complete failure in the weight loss area. And that was like the one area of my life that was always the biggest struggle, and the only place where I felt like a failure. So even doing jumping jacks. So I have arthritis, especially my left knee, but in both knees. And the the orthopedic surgeon said that I would eventually need to have knee replacement surgery, and that my knees will start bow-legging. And I can see the bow-leggedness already. My younger grandson is there with me, so he was having a little fun trying to get in the camera, get some camera time. This is Ravenna, our 10-year-old granddaughter, fur daughter. And on this right here, I'm trying to do heel taps, and boy, I can't even reach my heels. So there's a lot of things that, you can't do right away. But like a couple weeks ago, I was doing jumping jacks, and I couldn't really do a lot. And then I was able to do jumping jacks really good a couple days ago. So it's all about building that muscle back, and you do what you can do, and you just build up. So if you can only walk for 10 minutes, you walk 10 minutes, and eventually you'll walk a little bit more and a little bit more. And so I'm really trying to tighten up the muscles. I do have an abdominal hernia that I am in the process of trying to get in to see the surgeon to get that taken care of, because it is going to be a risky, tricky surgery, because I've already had it fixed. I've had 2 hernia surgeries. One was an emergency, and the intestine almost exploded, I guess you would say, popped open. And my daughter raced me down to Cedars-Sinai, and I had surgery like at 2 in the morning. Then 2 months later, I had a mesh put in. But, weight gain pushed out the pressure, made that mesh move, I guess, because it's still in there, but I could tell it's not attached and it's not in the same spot. And then the inner hole reopened, and it's bigger. So the whole inside is big enough to where the intestines won't get strangulated again. But the danger is, like, all this stuff is going to be like stuck together inside. So I am nervous. I'm going to be, praying to God that he gets me through that surgery, and I'll let you all know whenever that happens. But I'm trying to get in sooner than my scheduled March date to see a really, really great surgeon at UCLA. My last surgeon's still on medical leave, so I miss him. I would love to have him do my surgery again. All right, so we're doing strength training, and I just want to let you see that, it's never too soon. I should have done some more strength training along my weight loss journey. I did a lot of cardio and walking, but it's never too late to start. So this is a little challenge that I'm doing. We're on week 4, and ooh, it is a hard one. So I'm learning how to do Bulgarian squats. Oh my gosh, burpees are way too hard. So I had to look up how to do a modified burpee. Oh, and this is Poe. He is 8 years old. And yeah, so I can, like the squats and the jumping, I'm learning how to do that. And even with the hernia, you can see that abdominal part that's sticking out. That is the hernia. It's like a grapefruit size. But, I'm just doing my best. And, I'm 55 years old and I don't want to be decrepit. I want to have some muscle strength. And so I am having fun trying on different pajamas. These are a size medium. I used to wear a 2X and a 3X. So I hope to offer a little bit of fun and giggle and silliness along the way. Thanks for being here.
ABC for that.
And that's a wrap.